Hi, I'm Marjory Wildcraft. I'm founder of the Grow Network and author of the book, The Grow System, the essential guide to modern self-sufficient living from growing food to making medicine. And with me today to teach you a little bit about modern self-reliance is...
I'm Dr. Michelle Jorgensen, founder of Living Well with Dr. Michelle, and I've written a book called Be Prepared, Not Scared, and I'm really excited to share some of the things from this book with you.
All right, again, we're in Dr. Michelle's medicinal herb garden, and we are in front of this most beautiful and amazing bush that produces elderberries. And it's late in the season, but Dr. Michelle happened to find one last panicum of the berries. And you want to tell folks a little bit about, if they don't already know, about the magic of elderberries?
Elderberries are incredible for your immune system, especially to fight viruses. So that might be something people are interested in nowadays. Elderberries can be made into a delicious syrup. You actually shouldn't eat the berry fresh because there are low levels of cyanide in these berries. However, when you cook them, the problem goes away. So you steam these berries and make a syrup out of it. Add honey, it makes it taste delicious, and I just give a tablespoon of this to my kids every single day during the winter, and it keeps us healthy. The cool part about this plant too is I cut this back all the way to the ground every single spring, and it grows this big every single year. So this is a phenomenal landscape plant that also brings you medicine.
Wow, would those leaves be edible for like rabbits and things like that?
They would be edible, yep, and they can also be used in teas.
Yeah, they can use the leaf itself.
Yep.
So there you go, an incredible immune boosting system just from a beautiful plant that's also makes your yard look beautiful.
And you know, I forgot to mention this, these can often be found, elderberries are often found in foothill areas. So you don't have to grow them in your backyard. You can find them in foothills and often can use those as sources for harvesting, or you can buy them dried online, all ready to go, and just make syrups that way.
The Grow Network is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food.